The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gary, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Highland, Griffith, and Lake Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.